Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialists Limited. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notification button. Right, this is on pointing guns. I do not recommend any of these guns. I prefer to do it by hand. But this one is like your silicon gun. You just pull the trigger and it pushes the motor down. This one's just a plunger. You just put your mix in and plunge it. But your mixes have to be so sloppy. I've got this one. This works off of, it's like a drill bit, and as it spins it pushes it out the ends. And I've also got this one. This one, you put the end on and it pushes it out the bottom.
So why has this one got a plug and that one doesn't?
Right, that one works off of electricity with the drill, and this one works off your Wi-Fi. Only kidding, it works off of a compressor. But this is, I used this one when it was really deep joints. So this works, you need an air compressor, your air line goes in here, you press the button and it comes out the ends, but you have to get your mix right. I've not used the other one. I've got all these are for sale, you know, the two new point ones and the quick point ones. These are 50 quid each, and the other ones for sale for £100. They're all roughly about £300 machines, but if somebody's willing to collect it, I'll sell them for dirt cheap. But I prefer to use my pointing hod over any of these because I can use a drier mix. But I've used these for 25 years. But the odd time you will need a gun if it's really deep, and it saves you a bit of time, but you have to use a lot wetter mix. So give me a message if anybody wants to buy any. That's great, thanks very much.